Desync is well known for connecting applications together. However, did you know that desync can be used to automate email notifications and send data reports and updates? Common scenarios where the desync email feature is used include 1. Notifying suppliers or retailers of product changes. 2. Notifying parties when an error occurs. 3. Emailing of certain reports. 4. Automating XML reports or JSON reports. There are many combinations where this handy feature can be used. Let's get into the product demonstration. In this tutorial, we will be setting up an email notification that will run at the same time our product export will run. Email notifications can be set up on any jobs that you have set up in your Desync dashboard. Notifications can be set up to run on error or on success. The trigger for the job will be based on the history result. To set up an email notification, we will need to add email endpoint to our Desync dashboard. In the top right-hand corner, select plus destination. Select email. Proceed to add a name for your email endpoint. This will add a small email icon to your dashboard. By clicking on the email or envelope icon, you will be able to enter in a message on the right-hand panel. For this demonstration, we will type Desync tester message. Underneath the message section, there is a section to add in email addresses to be notified. Proceed to enter in who you would like to send the email messages to when the jobs run. After each email, click Add, then proceed to select Save. The next step is to make a data layout for the job. Click on the email envelope and then select New for the data layout. Complex data layouts can be added for large notifications. However, for this demonstration, let's add a few fields to the data layout one by one. First, let's select XML. Then let's add some fields to the data layout by selecting Add Field. As this is a product feed, let's add the field Product. Select Multiple, as the product field should be set as an array. In the field type, select Object. For the second field, let's add SKU. Highlight Products, then select Add Field. In the field settings, let's title as SKU, then select OK. Now that we have added two fields to the data layout, let's select Save. The next step is to create a link or a relation. You can join email notifications to existing data jobs. In this demonstration, we can set up the email notification to run every time the RSS data job is set to run. Click on the first endpoint. Then select Create a Link/Relation. Then click on the email icon or destination endpoint. Let's create a new map between for the email notification to run. Double-click on the line between the endpoint, then select New Map. Name your map. Now it is time to edit your map. In the earlier step, we only added two fields to our data layout. Therefore, this map will be easy to pair. Click to add the field and pair up the SKU field. Perfect. This completes the mapping section. Now that we have set up the email notifications, we have set up a data layout, and we have mapped the data, we can return to the dashboard to test the notifications. To begin the job, select Run. By viewing the History section, we can see when the job is complete and successful. If successful, an email will be sent immediately. Let's check for the email. Success! We have a new email notification. As we open the email, we can see the message we entered during the setup process. Desync tester message. You will also find attached within the email the customized report file. The file can be in multiple formats, including spreadsheet, XML, JSON, or in a variety of formats. The report can be customer data, product data, order data, or whatever data extract you have requested Desync to send you. When we open the file, we can see the two fields we requested, product and SKU. The report is also in the XML format we requested.